This is the USB-C breakout board that I completely mutilated in this video right here. I had to sacrifice it to get a USB-C port off it and repair something else, so I've now managed to pick up some of those USB-C ports. I'm going to try and fix my USB-C breakout board. I'm going to stop saying USB-C now. So I picked up a few of these from China, because I've repaired quite a few things that have used these ports. Unfortunately, it's not just going to be as simple as popping this port on, because I did rip some of the traces, which you may be able to see. But let's get it under the microscope and see it properly. Right, so there we go. So you can see that this pad here has been lifted off. This one here and this one here. As luck would have it, it only looks like that one is connected to anything. So it looks like that one should go there. Let's try and focus a bit more. Focus. Looks like those two are connected together and they go to that one. It looks like that one is here. The V-bus is here and the ground is... I think it's the end ones that are the ground. So that one's probably a ground. I think that one might be hanging on. Let's get the multimeter on. Multimeter in continuity, that is. Like so. Right, so let's just see. Is that a ground? Yes, it is. Is that still connected? Yes, it is, miraculously. Right. Are any of the others ground? Don't think they are. Okay, so C1 is here. CC1. D1 is... Which one's D1? Ignore me. D minus is that one. So that means that, I presume, is D plus. And that one, because they're connected together. And then CC2 should be here. And it's not. It's nowhere else, is it, that one? So I need to restore this trace here and rebuild the pad. That one, it doesn't matter because it's not connected to anything. That one, I reckon, is okay. Once the port's on, I think... I don't know. It might come off when I clean it. Let's get some isopropyl alcohol, give it a bit of a clean. Yeah, that pad did come off. There it is. Right, let's just add some flux. I'm going to do the hot drop method anyway, so I'm going to fill these up with some leaded solder. I don't know whether this wire might be a bit thick, but I might be better off connecting it directly up to the port. In fact, I am going to do that. I'm going to put the port on and then connect it up. So I'm just going to cut this a little bit shorter. Right, let's try and get this port on. I'm just going to go over those pins with the soldering iron. That looks pretty good. Just check it for solidity.
Solid, 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 solid,
and
solid.
Right, we just need to put this wire on now. Right, looks like I cut that wire too short, so I'll redo it. think we're on, just about. Right, how's that look? Yeah, you can see the leg moving with the wire now. Awesome. Okay, let's clean it up a bit, and then we'll put some solder mask on it. Nice. This is the solder mask I'm going to be using. It's Mechanic green solder mask. And my soldering mask curing device. Right, let's have a look at that. Nice. Make sure it's gone off. Certainly has. You could say it's
solid.
Right, I'm quite pleased with that. Right, let's test it. Right, I can use this USB-C Breakout Board, which is one that you would put in a Nintendo Switch, and just make sure you've got all the outputs. So let's just pop it in. I suppose it matters which way around it goes. And let's just make sure we've got all of these coming out here. So let's start here. We've got V-bus. Yep, A4 and A9. Ground is A1, A12. Yep. CC A8. Is it just A8? Yes, it is. D minus is A6. D plus is A7. And CC2. I can't get on that because I've got a solder mask on it. Let's do it from this side. CC2 comes up there. B8. Yeah, nice. I know it would have been easier just to buy a new one, but it was much cheaper to get the ports. I didn't pay much for them at all. They worked out about, I don't know, 10p each. I got quite a few of them from China. So I thought it was worth fixing, and I fixed it. Kind of. Stupid. Breakout board?
Don't start to ask. Now you found a break to make it last. You got to find a way. Say what you want to say.